Before you decide to buy from Firmoo, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're looking for stylish glasses on a budget or are just curious about how it stacks up to other online eyewear retailers, this video will give you a comprehensive guide to help you make an informed decision. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing the best offer you can get and a special free trial just for you. Now, the first thing to know is that Firmoo is known for offering affordable eyeglasses, which is its biggest selling point. Compared to other brands like Warby Parker or Zenni Optical, Firmoo's prices are often lower, making it an attractive option for people who need glasses without breaking the bank. I've personally used the service and, honestly, the affordability factor is one of the biggest draws. You're not going to get premium designer brands, but the quality is solid for the price. If you're looking for a deal, it's hard to beat. Next thing to consider is the range of styles they offer. Firmoo has a wide selection of frames, including trendy and classic designs. While they may not offer the vast variety that Warby Parker does in terms of customizations, it's still a solid choice. Plus, their virtual try-on tool is pretty impressive. You can upload a photo of yourself and try on the glasses digitally before making a decision. This feature really helps in narrowing down which pair works best for your face shape, which is crucial since buying glasses online can sometimes feel like a gamble. The third thing to note is their prescription services. Firmoo offers prescription lenses at competitive prices, and they accept a wide range of prescriptions. In fact, they make the process very straightforward, and the lenses come in various options, whether you need single vision, bifocal, or progressive lenses. While they're not perfect and there might be occasional issues with prescription accuracy, I've found that for most people, they get it right. The major benefit here is the cost, as getting prescription glasses from other online stores can sometimes be more expensive. Next thing is shipping. Firmoo ships globally, but you'll want to keep in mind that shipping can take a while depending on where you are. If you're in the US, you can typically expect your order within 7 to 14 days, but international customers should plan for longer delivery times. Compared to other online retailers like Glasses USA, which has faster shipping options, Firmoo may not always be the quickest, but the savings could make up for that. The fifth thing you should be aware of is their return policy. Firmoo has a 30-day return policy, but this is a bit more restrictive than some competitors. For example, Warby Parker lets you return frames within a year, no questions asked. However, Firmoo does offer free returns if the glasses are faulty or not what you expected, which adds a layer of security when purchasing. That being said, it's important to make sure your prescription is accurate before ordering to avoid headaches down the line. The sixth point to note is their customer service. In my experience, they're generally responsive and helpful, but don't expect the same level of premium support that you might get with bigger companies. That's to be expected when you're buying from a lower cost provider. However, I've never had major issues getting answers to questions, and their online chat support is decent. The seventh and final thing to consider is the overall value. If you're simply looking for affordable, stylish glasses without all the frills, Firmoo is a fantastic choice. It's a great entry-level option if you're not looking to spend hundreds of dollars. However, if you're looking for a premium experience, quicker shipping, or extensive frame customization, you might want to look into alternatives like Warby Parker or even local opticians. So, if you're on the fence and wondering if you should try Firmoo, let me remind you, click the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits. That way, you can try it risk-free and see if it fits your needs without any pressure. Remember, it's not just about getting the best glasses, it's about getting them at a great price, with decent quality and the convenience of shopping online.